Hi everyone, I'm Riley from Echidna Sewing. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these corner bookmarks. These bookmarks are perfect for your kids or as gifts to friends. They are super simple to make and can be made from fabric scraps or upcycled clothing. Here is everything that you're going to need for this project, but check out down below for the full list. Now let's get into it. Firstly, you will need to cut 5 squares that are 4 inches by 4 inches. 2 from your main fabric, 1 from your secondary fabric, and 2 from your interfacing. Now the secondary fabric will form the triangle piece where the pages will sit, so make sure you cut your fabric pieces accordingly. Once you've got those 5 pieces cut out, grab one of your interfacing pieces and fold it in half to form a triangle, like so. And then you want to cut that in half to form 2 triangles, and you won't need one of those, so you can pop that aside for now. And then you're going to grab your secondary piece of fabric, and we're going to iron on that interfacing in one of those corners. Just like that. Let's go ahead and do that. Now once you've done that, you want to fold that square in half to form another triangle, making sure that that fold of your fabric is sitting on that line of interfacing. Like that, and then press again with your iron. Now you can set that one aside for the time being, and you'll grab your other square of interfacing and one of your main fabric pieces and iron on that square of interfacing to your fabric square. Once you've done that, place that interface square face up in front of you. Grab your triangle and align it in the top right corner, and then place your remaining square of fabric down on top and pin or clip around the entire perimeter to secure it. Before I clip this last side, I'm just going to grab my Frixion pen and my ruler, and I'm going to mark a 2-inch gap right in the middle of this edge, so that we can leave it open and turn it right side out at the end. Alright, and now you can sew all the way around with a 1/4 inch seam allowance and a straight stitch. Once you've finished stitching, square off each of the corners to reduce bulk. And you can turn your bookmark right side out. And I'm just going to use my purple thing just to poke out those corners nice and sharp. Alright, should look a little like that. Now I'm just going to give it another press with my iron. When you're ironing, make sure that your turning hole is tucked in, like so. Then after I press that edge with the turning hole, I'm just going to take a pin, pop it in, just so it stays shut while I'm ironing the rest of my bookmark. And the last step we need to do is just top stitch around the entire perimeter of our bookmark using a 3mm straight stitch as close to the edge as possible. And that's how easy it is to make a corner bookmark. Now, if you're interested in any of the products that we use in this video, feel free to check out our website for more information. And don't forget to tag us on Instagram so we can see your corner bookmarks too. Thanks for watching and happy sewing!